Hello, palmistry or astrology, is it a science? Whenever my father and astrology guru Shri Gochareji would do some astrological calculation or palm analysis, I used to think about it. I would not only discuss but argue with him. Being an engineering graduate and management postgraduate, like any other science student, I had doubts in considering it as science. Babuji gave me the definition of science as the process of acquiring knowledge, in which the first step is observation of an incident or phenomenon, then experimentation, resulting into formulation of a repeatable principle. He gave me few such principles and advised me to analyze myself. I was amazed to see the result of few such observations and analysis. In the process of acquiring this knowledge, whatever I have learnt, I am going to share and discuss with you today onwards. Whatever happens in the life of a person first gets generated in a thinking, in a mind. You want to go on holiday, buy some property, do some educational course or any other work. It first gets generated in a thinking. So by way of knowing thinking, you can know the future. Thinking is resultant of past experiences. Present is a bridge which connects past to the future. Future, through this bridge of present, becomes past. So if you can know the thinking, you can know past, present and future. A psychologist does his work by understanding, analyzing and influencing this thinking. A magician amazes everybody by influencing this thinking. Various companies by way of advertisement tries to influence this thinking to influence the future buying decision of the customer. Mind is connected with the body through a network of nerves. It controls the complete body by sending signal through these nerves. However, maximum number of nerves gets terminated on palm. Palm is connected to all portions of mind. That is the reason it is very sensitive. Let's do an experiment. Just try to touch any hot surface or a hot press with your fingers. Your mind will immediately identify the temperature of this hot surface. However, if you do the same thing with any other portion of your body or backside of your palm, then your skin will get burned first before mind identifying the temperature of this hot surface. Due to this closeness of mind with the palm, the image of mind gets mirrored on the palm. A palmist tries to look inside a mind and identify the thinking of a person by way of analyzing shape, size, color and lines on palm, and thus predicting the past, present and future of a person. Which are the principles he uses to do that? We'll be discussing in coming videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you.